Hello, everybody. My name is Mr. Dickison. I am the high school phys ed and health teacher. Um, I've been here at Milton-Union for over 20 years. Graduated from here in 1980 and started coaching football in 1981. And coached off and on at Milton for many, many years. Still help out with the varsity program from time to time when Coach Pierce asked me. Family, all my kids have graduated from here. My wife, Terry Dickison, graduated from here, Terry Brinkle Dickison in 1982. And my mom taught here for over 27 years herself. So good chance that if you've graduated from here in the last 30, 40 years, 50 years, you probably know something about our family. But anyway, I am the high school phys ed and health teacher. It is, I'm not going to lie, it's a crazy year. This first semester, we'll be doing phys ed. I'll have all phys ed classes. Right now, we're going to try to be as compliant as we can with OHSAA standards, which means that as of right now at the beginning of school, we will not be using the locker rooms, will not be using the weight room, etc. Quite honestly, we will be going outside and using facilities outside as much as possible, probably playing disc golf, maybe playing tennis and pickleball, using the track and using our woods to try to stay active. That's kind of the plan, and it's going to be fluid, meaning we're going to have to do what we can do under the circumstances. So we're going to make the best of it. Second semester, I'll have health, and we'll go over mental health. We'll go over alcohol, tobacco, and other drugs. We will go over a variety of things. Human reproduction will be one part of it. We will go over catastrophic and chronic illnesses and diseases, etc. So if you have any questions about what we're doing, you can email me at dickisond@muschools.com, or you could leave a voice message and I can get back with you. My phone number is 884-7940 and I'm extension 1123. So anyway, once again, we're going to make the best of the situation, do the best we can do, and we'll follow the OHSAA guidelines. We'll follow the guidelines that have been in place by our government, the governor, etc., and by the school, and we will make the best of this situation. So anyway, everyone have a great day.